Right. Good afternoon and welcome to the lecture of say digital electronics and myself, Dr. N.D. Mishra, Head of Department and Associate Professor Department of Electronics, Srimati Radhat Mohta College of Science. And I welcome you all in this lecture of digital electronics in which we have already completed Boolean expressions and some of the Boolean laws. Today we are going to study the simplifications of some of the equations of Boolean algebra and using these Boolean laws. So I guess you remember the six types of Boolean expressions that we have studied in that lecture. Some laws of, Boolean laws which we have studied, in which we have studied, I guess I will just repeat it for you peoples. Associative law, then commutative law, then distributive law, and law, or law, and the law of inversion. I guess you have these. We have this six Boolean laws that we have studied, and today we are going to use those equations to simplify some of the equations. Right. So let us start with that. So the first equation that we need to simplify is, sir, remember, so this is y here is supposed to be the output. I guess it is visible. Y is the output, and these are the variables that we are going to use. So the equation is B C bar. This is a equation. So B C bar plus plus A B C bar uh, plus A B C plus A B C, right? So this is the equation. So y equal to B C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. Now it implies that this is having three variables, right? So three inputs are there, and y is supposed to be the single output coming out of that particular circuit, which we need to simplify. So this is how the equations appear when we go on solving this, simplify those equations using these Boolean laws. So let us try this. So I guess you have understood what is this equation. Y is supposed to be the output, and that is equal to B dot C bar plus, this is OR operation. So this is B dot C bar plus A B C bar, A dot B, B dot C bar plus A B C, right? So the equation, this is the equation that we need to simplify by using these Boolean laws. So there are six laws I have already told you: associative law, commutative law, distributive law, and laws, or laws, and the law of inversion. So using these six laws, we have to simplify these equations. So let us try with the first equation, and then we will try to implement that circuit by using the simplified result that we have got. So let us begin with this. So this is the equation. So can we write like this? If everybody is visible, are you getting? Are you able to hear my voice loud and clear? Anybody can unmute and let me know.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Beta. So let us start with that. So let us begin with this equation. So y equal to b dot c bar plus a b c bar plus a b c. Now here in this, if you apply the distributive law, the that is the factorization and multiplication can be possible. So bc bar plus, here ab is common, so I can take this as common. So a dot b in the bracket c bar plus c. Can we write like this? So a bar ab is common, c bar and c are not common. So AB I have taken out of the bracket, and C bar plus C I'm writing it inside the bracket. So this is by using the distributive law, right? Third, next equation. So B C bar plus A dot B. Now can you tell me what is the formula? What is the law? C bar plus C will, what it will give you? Actually it is a OR loss. So OR law, can you tell me C bar plus C will give you? Anybody can reply if you remember that. Hello? C bar plus C. I'll write you for that. So it will give you 1. Right? So C bar plus C is equal to 1. So I'm putting 1 over there. So the simplified equation again I can get B dot C bar plus A dot B. Now, if you see in this equation, again, B is supposed to be the common. So, again, we can have that distributive law. So, B I am taking common and dot C bar plus A. So, now we can't simplify more than this. So, this is the simplified output. Y is equal to B dot C bar plus A. Have you understood how I simplified that? I have just used a simple equation of Boolean laws. I have put there and I have tried to simplify. So I got this simplified equation. Now, what about
Sir, please
AB?
repeat again.
Yeah, I will repeat it for you. So the equation, initial equation was y equal to bc bar plus abc bar plus abc, right? So this was the equation, that is the question over there. So we need to simplify this equation by using the Boolean law, right? So in the first case, what I have done is I have taken AB as common. So AB can be taken common by using which law? That is the distributive law, which implies that multiplication and factorization is possible, of the terms are possible, right? So I am taking AB as common over there, and in the bracket I am putting C bar plus C, right? So C bar plus C I am taking over here. So the bracket I get, if you multiply, you will get AB A dot B dot C bar plus A dot B C, which is the back equation. So I'm putting over there, taking into a bracket. Now in the next step, what I'm doing, I'm replacing this C bar plus C, that is actually the OR operation, A bar plus A equal to 1. So similarly, C bar plus C will give you 1. So I am putting 1 over here, and if you multiply 1 with any of the variables, it will give you the same variables. So the next equation will be B dot C bar plus A dot B, right? Now again, you can simplify this if you are able to see over here. So B is supposed to be common, so I am taking B as common over there, and I am again applying the distributive law. So B is supposed to be common, C bar plus A, right? So this is actually the simplified equation that I can get by using the Boolean laws. So this is the output, or this is the result of the above equation. Y equal to BC bar plus ABC bar plus ABC. I guess you have understood. Now we'll try to implement this circuit. Now, how you are going to implement this circuit? As I told you, we are having 3 variables, right? So we are having 3 variables. Remember this. So let us start. So for in the beginning, what will I will do? I will take 3 variables. Now I am trying to draw the circuit as such. So let us try. So I will have these 3 lines. A and C are common, so I am taking A and C over here. So A, C, and then I will be taking the third line, that is B, right? So C bar plus A. Now to make C as C bar, I'll be using a NOT gate. So after using a NOT gate, I'll be getting C bar right over here. So C bar I got over here. That A plus C bar means this A and C bar are to be ORed, right? So the gate will be OR gate. So I am ORing this over here. Yeah. So I've got this. The bracket is C bar plus A. So for C, I have taken C over here and then I have inverted it to get C bar, right? Then A plus C bar is there in the bracket. So what I have done, A plus C bar, I am drawing it like an XOR gate. So the output over here will be A, or I will write it in that fashion itself. So C bar plus A, I will get over here at the output. C bar plus A. Now the last one, that is B, is to be ANDed, dot product ANDed with this whole. So what I will do, I will take this line in front and I will give this to an and. So yes, I will just take it in a little bit front like this. So I will give an and gate over here. So I am ending it. So the last output, which we call it as y, will give us y. Y will be equal to this equation. So b dot c bar plus a. Have you got this? How I have drawn this circuit? This is the simplest circuit that is being implemented by using this equation. So we are having three variables A, B, and C. I have taken these three variables A, B, and C. We are having C bar, so I have inverted it. I have to get C bar, right? Then C bar is to be ORed with A, so I am adding this with OR gate. I've got at the output of OR gate C bar plus A. Now this term multiplied by or the dot product of B. So B dot C bar plus A can be got by ANDing the two outputs. Right? I guess you have understood how I have drawn that circuit. Is there any problem? Shall we proceed further? Hello? Yeah, anybody can unmute and let me know. There are some more equations to go. Shall we? Yeah. ओ रिंकी क्या हुआ बेटा? हाँ बेटा बोलो. क्या नहीं समझा? You can unmute and tell me. हेलो.
समझ गया.
समझ गया है. चलिए चलो चलो थैंक यू. Okay, okay. I thought कि तुमको समझा नहीं है. Okay, we'll start. Yeah. So this is the equations and this is the simplification of that equation and this is how we have implemented a circuit using the simplified equation, right? So this was the first part. Now let us start. Let us try some more examples on that. So we have a proof like equations also. So we'll try for that. So we have a proof. So let us prove to show that by using this equation a plus b dot a plus b dot a plus b bar a plus b dot a plus b bar dot a bar plus b, right? So a plus b dot a plus b bar a bar plus b equal to, we have to prove that is equal to a is equal to a dot b. This is what is to be proved. So this is the equation a plus b dot a plus b bar dot a bar plus b is equal to a dot b, and this is what we need to prove by using the Boolean laws, right? So we are going to use those Boolean laws and we need to show how this equation can be simplified like this a dot b, and that is actually a AND gate, right? So let us try with that. Let us begin. So the first equation that can be equated to left hand side. So left hand side can be written like, yes, LHS. So left hand side is equal to, what is it? A plus B. I guess it is visible. So if it is not visible, kindly keep me updating on that. So A plus B bar dot A bar plus B. Like, so this is the equation and we need to simplify it. So let us start with that. So start with one of the brackets. So let us start with this bracket and this bracket. Let us begin. So this bracket completely multiplied by this bracket. So a dot a plus b bar, right? A dot a plus b bar completely, yes, dot, sorry, plus b dot a plus b bar, and this bracket I will keep as it is. So this will be, I will be taking it in a big bracket, dot a bar plus b bar sorry, a bar plus b. So I'm keeping that independent. So just I have multiplied this whole bracket with this. Now let us see what happens. If you multiply this, a dot, we'll get a dot a plus a dot b bar
Sir,
plus b dot, हाँ बेटा, a dot b plus b dot b bar, हाँ बेटा बोलिए, dot a plus b bar, a bar plus b. Yes, go ahead.
sir, sir, screen is not clear.
हाँ
Sir,
हाँ,
screen clear नहीं है.
screen is not clear.
Screen clear नहीं है.
Okay, okay, राइट. सो मैंने क्या किया है, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू. ये वाला ब्रैकेट जो है, ये ब्रैकेट के साथ कंप्लीटली मल्टीप्लाई किया ये ऊपर वाले, और इसको अभी हमने जैसा का वैसा ही रखा. ये जो तीसरा ब्रैकेट है, क्या लिखा है, ए प्लस बी डॉट ए प्लस बी बार डॉट ए बार प्लस बी. राइट, अभी दिख रहा है, दिखा क्या कि आई कैन रब एंड अगेन आई कैन ड्रॉ. तो यस, विल स्टार्ट विद दैट. लेट अस, मैं इसी के लिए थोड़ा सा सामने रखा था. Let us try. So I am writing it a little bit dark. So this is A multiplied by this whole bracket, that is A plus B bar. Is it visible now? Plus B, A plus B bar dot, इसको मैं वैसा ही रखता हूँ, इसको बड़े ब्रैकेट में ले लिए, और डॉट A bar plus B. Is it visible? Is it visible now? I have just multiplied this whole bracket with this bracket and I kept this bracket as it is. Right? Is it visible? Hello? अभी
Yes,
दिख रहा है
sir.
कि क्लियर नहीं है? फिर से दिख रहा है. चलिए, गुड. So I will just multiply this A with this. You just do one thing. You also go on writing out in your notebook so that you will also understand. So I'm multiplying this. So the whole big bracket, A dot A plus A dot B bar plus A dot B plus B dot B bar, and this A bar plus B is as it is. Is it okay? Now, A dot A is 1. Sorry, A dot A is A plus A dot A bar is A dot A bar itself plus A dot B is A dot B plus B dot B bar is 0. So I'm putting over there. Then another bracket, A bar plus B. Yes. Is it okay? Have you got this? How I did that? A dot A is, समझा, समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है कि ऊपर से ज्यादा बोलते जाइए. नहीं समझा, समझा? हेलो, ये सिर्फ हम लोग ब्रैकेट ओपन कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव द इक्वेशन एज A plus A dot B bar plus A dot B. ये तीन टर्म्स बच गए, ये 0 हो गया. डॉट this bracket, that is A bar plus B. Now again multiply this bracket with this, right? So I will first multiply A term with this bracket and then B term with this bracket, and then we'll try to simplify. So first A bar dot A plus A dot B bar plus A dot B plus B into whole bracket again, that is A plus A dot B bar plus A dot B. ठीक है क्या? ये दिख रहा है अभी? ए से ए बार से मल्टीप्लाई किया है ये पूरे ब्रैकेट को, प्लस बी से मल्टीप्लाई किया है ये पूरे ब्रैकेट को. नाउ लेट अस गेट इनसाइड. सो ए बार से मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसको पूरा, तो ए बार डॉट ए प्लस ए बार डॉट ए डॉट बी बार प्लस ए डॉट बी. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में ओपन कर रहा हूं अभी, प्लस ए डॉट बी, ए डॉट बी प्लस ए डॉट बी बार डॉट बी प्लस ए डॉट बी डॉट बी, ऐसा बनाया है। तो ए डॉट ए बार, ए डॉट ए बार डॉट ए डॉट बी बार, ए डॉट बी प्लस इधर मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू किया तो बी इंटू ए डॉट बी, देन प्लस फिर से बी मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ए डॉट बी बार डॉट बी प्लस ए डॉट बी, राइट। ऐसा पूरा इक्वेशन बना है। अब ये इक्वेशन ए बार डॉट ए इज इक्वल टू 0, यहां पर भी ए डॉट ए बार इज इक्वल टू 0, और कोई है क्या, ये बी बार डॉट बी इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड बी डॉट बी इज बी, so I'm substituting that over there. So again a dot a bar is 0, so this is 0 plus this whole term becomes 0 plus a dot b plus ये again a dot b है plus this whole term becomes 0 plus ये एक बार और a dot b है, so all are zeros, so these are zeros. We are having 3 a dot b and a dot b, so if you add a 3 times you will get a. Similarly, if you add 3 times a dot b and a dot b, you will be getting a dot b. So this is equal to the right hand side. So this is how we have simplified this equation, right? So this equation can be equated to a dot b. This is a proof sort of form in which we have done nothing. We have just opened the brackets and we have multiplied the whole bracket with the equation. If you go on doing that, this will get the simplified equation. Just we'll need to remember the simple laws, that is and laws and or laws. Here a dot a bar dot a is a, just hold for a second. Yeah, so you just need to know a bar dot a is equal to 0, a bar dot a equal to 0, b bar dot b equal to 0, b dot b is equal to b, a dot a is equal to a, right? Those are and laws, right? So you need to remember and you can simplify. Where there is a dot a, you can write a. Where there is a dot a bar, you can write 0, right? B dot b bar is 0, right? Similarly, c bar dot c is 1. So likewise, so those laws you have to remember, those 6 laws which I have taught you in the lecture number 18, and I have uploaded that lecture on my YouTube channel also. So those all explains the Boolean laws. I guess you have understood how to simplify this equation. Have you understood this equation? How I simplified, how I proved this left hand side equal to right hand side. Is it okay? Do you have any problem in this? Is it visible? Thank you, Rinki. It's a no sir, matlab no sir. Okay. You have any problem? Shall we proceed further to have another small proof we can do, and then we can stop over here. So shall we begin? Is it okay up till now?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा,
Sir.
you need to write those equations. हाँ बेटा, बोलिए रिंकी.
सर ए बार से मल्टीप्लाई
Hello?
करे तो ए बार डॉट, सर ए बार से मल्टीप्लाई करे 5th स्टेप, समझी नहीं सर?
हाँ,
ए
ए बार
से
डॉट
multiply करे।
ये वाली, हाँ ए बार से ना ये वाला, ए बार डॉट ये पूरे ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ए बार डॉट ए यहाँ लिखा है, ए बार डॉट ए डॉट बी बार, ये बार डॉट ए डॉट बी बार, बराबर है. प्लस फिर से ए बार से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो ए बार डॉट ए, यहाँ पे ए बार आएगा शायद एक, यहाँ पर एक ए बार आएगा. यस, ठीक है, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. ए बार डॉट ए, तो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा फिर, राइट. ये हो गया पूरा ब्रैकेट. समझा क्या? ये ए बार से इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, ए बार से इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, ए बार से इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, करेक्ट, राइट. फिर उसके बाद बी से मल्टीप्लाई कर, बी से ए मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ए डॉट बी, बी से ए डॉट बी बार को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3 टर्म, बी से ए डॉट बी आया. ठीक है क्या अभी? So this will become 0 again. So I will have to add one more term over here of 0, 1, 2, 3. So this should be equal to 0. Yes. Now is it okay? Hello? ठीक है रिंकी?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now? Good. So yeah, so this is how we are proving that. So we'll try another equation on. Yeah, so we'll try another proof, a small proof again. We have very less time to go. So the equation is a plus a b bar, a plus a sorry, a plus a b bar. This is a bar b plus a b bar, like this, and this should be equal to a plus b. This is what is to be proved, and this is the equation number 2. So a plus a bar b plus a b bar is equal to a plus b. This is what we are expecting to prove. Is it okay? Is it visible? It is a plus a bar b plus a dot b bar, and that should be equal to, say, a plus b. So again, the same method here. Now here we have to use a different method for this explanation, right? So let us try for that. Now here, this term, I'm writing this term in a different fashion. Just let's see. So I'm using this LHS, left hand side, right? So left hand side is equal to a plus a bar b plus a dot b bar, right? So I'm writing like this only. Now I'm just replacing this b bar. Just see how I can do that. So a dot b bar plus, this is the trick where which is say different for all the proofs. So I can use this b bar as 1 plus b bar. So I'm putting over there a dot 1 plus b bar. Now 1 plus b bar will give you b bar only. 1 plus b bar will give you b bar only. So that's why I'm replacing that. So yes, yeah. So I'm writing over there. Oh, sorry. Just hold for a second. Mm, yeah. Okay. Just hold for a second. Huh? Yeah. So I will use these two terms. Uh, a bar dot b plus a plus a dot b bar. Yeah, is it okay? So from here we can take a as common. So we'll have a bar dot b plus a as common. So here we will be having 1 plus b bar. Is it okay now? Yes. Yes. A bar dot b plus I have taken a as common from these two terms. Here it will remain 1 plus b bar. Right? Have you got this? Just check it out.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yeah. So, and now a bar dot b plus a. Do you have that and loss? 1 plus b bar will give you, sorry, 1 plus 1 plus b bar will give you 1, right? 1 plus any of the term will give you 1. So I am using that one over here. So a dot 1 is over there. Now again we'll be having this one as, so a dot 1. Now this 1 can be written as, again I'm writing that as b plus 1. So this is what is a trick. So I got 1 plus b bar equal to 1 again, and now I am writing 1 as b plus 1, right? So that will also give you 1 only. So just for simplification, I am using this term b plus 1 instead of 1. Then only we can get the required proof, right? So a plus b. So here now it's okay. So we are having a bar dot b plus a bar a dot b plus a. Is it okay? Have you got this? how I've done this. So I've just taken this one. Initially it was 1 plus b bar, so it can be written as 1 only. Now I am writing this 1 as again b plus 1. So we will multiply a with the whole bracket. So we'll have a dot b plus a. Now what I will do, I will just take common b as common from this term. So what I will get, that it is equal to b a bar plus a, and this a as common. So b I have taken common from these two terms, and in the bracket I am left with a bar plus a, right, plus this a. Okay, now again, now a bar plus a will give you 1. So
1.
b into 1 plus a, and that can be written as a plus b. Yes, any question? Just oddly, I guess less than 1 minute is over. So thank you very much. I will just ending this class right now because the time is up. So we'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, we can rectify in the other lecture. Thank you. Have a nice time. Good day. See you soon. Bye. Oh, bye.